You heard it here, folks. The IRS is now recognizing same-sex marriage. Here are a few things you should know. Under a new Supreme Court ruling, same-sex marriage will now be treated as married for all federal tax purposes. The IRS recognizes any same-sex marriage legally entered into in any of the 50 states, the District of Columbia, or any U.S. territory. Some of the advantages include filing status, personal deductions, dependency exemptions, standard deductions, employee benefits, tax credits, and retirement plans and contributions. Regardless of where you live now, if you fall under this ruling, you qualify. Here are a few other things to note. Starting in 2013, same-sex couples within this ruling must file either married filing jointly or married filing separately. You and your spouse can no longer file single. If you were married prior to the new Supreme Court ruling, you now have the option to file amended tax returns to change your status for any prior tax year that's still open. For most of us, that's the past 3 years. If you've been married for any or all of those years, you may qualify for larger refunds for tax years 2010, 2011, and 2012. Some limitations. This new ruling does not apply to registered domestic partnerships, civil unions, or similar formal relationships. If you paid for same-sex health insurance coverage from an employer in after-tax dollars, you may be able to shift these premiums into pre-tax dollars. State laws are a little more complicated, but they're evolving every day. Be sure to find out more about how you'll also be affected within your particular state. Get started by going to thesmartwaytofile.com and contacting a smart tax office near you.
Smart tax, the smart way to file.
thesmartwaytofile.com.